National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ohio County in southeastern Indiana, Dearborn County in southeastern Indiana, East Central Ripley County in southeastern Indiana, Northern Kenton County, Boone County, southwestern Hamilton County in southwestern Ohio, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Greendale, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cincinnati, Covington, Florence, Independence, Erlanger, Harrison, Edgewood, Ellesmere, Cheviot, Fort Mitchell, Villa Hills, Fort Wright, Lawrenceburg, Greendale, Ludlow, Crescent Springs, Aurora, Crestview Hills, Lakeside Park, and Rising Sun. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 74 in Indiana between mile markers 167 and 169. Interstate 75 in Kentucky between mile markers 177 and 187. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.